Hey everybody, what's up? Carl Schoof here from Snorkel.tv, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to my Animate CC for Everyone course preview. What's a course preview? Well, I'm building a super mega Animate CC course, but I'm also releasing the first 12 videos totally for free. You can download the source files, watch all the videos, follow along, and in no time, you'll be building some animations. I think it's a great opportunity for you to see my teaching style, get an idea for what Animate CC can do, and also get an idea of what you can do, all right? This stuff isn't that hard, but I'm gonna show you everything from the ground up, all right? I want you to be excited about animations, and before I get into showing you all the details of the course, I also want to tell you a little bit about myself. This is one of the first animations I created 20 years ago, and it still brings me joy to look at it. This little animation that I created with no formal training opened the door to working with some of the biggest brands out there like GE, AT&T, Pepsi, and more. And I've trained literally thousands of people on animation via on-site corporate training and through videos with over 1 million views. I've boiled my mission statement down to this. If you can draw something like this and want to make it do this, I'm here to help, all right? I believe that every creative person should feel the joy of bringing their work to life. You'll be amazed at how far you can go with just a few basic animation skills. Here are just a few examples of how major brands are using simple animations to get attention on social media. Everyone, everywhere is fighting for your attention. Whether you're trying to get a job or promote a world-class product, being able to build simple animations like these will put you way ahead of the pack. And the good news is, it's really not that hard. You don't have to build Jurassic Park. You can keep things simple and fun, and I'm really excited to show you how it's done. In this course preview, I'm going to show you how to build these two animations. They may look pretty simple, but there's actually quite a bit you need to know in order to get here. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the best way I know how, and that's through short lessons that focus on 1 or 2 key concepts, showing those concepts multiple times in multiple ways, and a series of hands-on activities. This course is for absolute beginners, and I'm going to guide you through the initial hurdles in a way that's fun and effective. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to take off the sales guy hat. Enough of that, alright? What do you say we crack open Animate CC and see what we can do together? I think you'll be surprised at how much you're going to learn after just a few short lessons.